own resource, and it's all bolted in with the factory drill holes, so we did not void the warranty on this thing. Also, we can switch it out for another similar size if something goes wrong with this one. So we have a little bit of flexibility when it comes to replacement. And then
before we go into that, we should.
Yeah, go ahead.
Most systems you find in the house are 24 volts. This is 12 volt. It's kind of weird or strange to have a 12 volt panel this big. The nice thing is that we don't have to do any conversion. We don't have to step down or step up or whatever. We can go straight 12 volts right into our battery here. And this is a Trojan battery. It's what, fluid, liquid? I don't know.
It's a flooded
battery. A lot of batteries you get can be gel, other things like that, and they can go inside that don't need ventilation. This one has to stay outside, has to be ventilated. What's the other thing? If you guys are interested in solar panels that are inexpensive, there's a hookup over in Idaho. TrueQuality.com, but I got this for under $300. Most of the panels that I saw similar to this one.
It's actually not a true 12 volt battery, but it works with 12 volt because it's got a max voltage output of about 22.9 volts, which makes it a little strange in that regard because it's not a 24 volt or 12. So, but it works with 12 with our charge controller, which we'll show you in there. We have a little one hooked up to the battery and everything. But actually, and just the deal with the strange voltage, Greg was telling us about this I to V curve, which is your short circuit current versus your open circuit voltage, which we'll talk about a little bit inside too. But we won't be quite getting the 215 watts out of it just because we're going to have to scale it down so it doesn't overload our battery.
So the electrical side of things is really hard to talk about with a bunch of people like this, so I recommend everyone take a walkthrough. That's what the PowerPoint demonstration is all about, is the electrical side of this, because if I tried to explain to each one of you how this works inside, it would not work out. So the legs fold out.
It's pretty close.
That's sweet.
Very, very close. So that's our down, and again, these are just locking pins, and they're 5/16, so they're very sturdy. They're not going to go anywhere. These are used for trailers. So we're hoping that, and we're confident that it'll hold.
If you guys want to look back here, we can still bolt this too to keep it down, which is getting like.
Yeah, so I recommend everyone come take a look at it, and I mean, turn it around. It's lazy.
Have fun.
It's Susan, and then we got a.